Hello, hello. So, as you can see, there are some panels, and the reason is I don't know if you noticed, but this kind of a thing all of a sudden, and I ask myself, is it really a thing? I do like wood slats, and I wish they were more red. So this is the walnut, but they look a little bit too, brownish. If you ask me, for a walnut. I mean, come on. There's not much light here, but it's kind of brownish. I wished for a more red color because I love that. No, I don't think they vinyl the top and bottom. Maybe not even the sides. That might be the case as well. I have one that is, oh, pardon me, fell off because they're stapled. Yeah, so that's really cheapy. So the sides are not even vinyl. So they have this paper thin, probably, what's it called? It's not real vinyl, it's like constructed vinyl. So out of wood fibers. Let's see what it does. And the changes are not huge because it's only felt. So I wonder, I mean, you won't have some reflection, but I can imagine if you put Rockwool behind it and get the panels a little bit away from the wall itself, it might do quite well and still have some reflection, which you actually want. Because otherwise it will be just completely dead, and that sounds weird as well. I thought I'll measure this panel in front of us, and then I'll remove the panels behind it. I'll leave that one in the middle, and just see what only these two panels do with the reverberation. And I can assure you it's not much, but if there is any change, that would be nice. So let's do that. Yeah, so actually I wanted to play a tune as well. So my options are, I'll play a tune right now with the panels in place, then I remove it, then I'll play another tune and do another measurement. I think that might be the best.
Barbari, furie, 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 venite a nos. Armate face tanque vosace corregnus qualido. Armate. Furie, 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 armate. Face corregnus qualido, armate face tanque furore sacce barbari, furore sacce barbari, furie, 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 armate, venite a nos. Morti fratello stradibus, vindictam tanti funeris, vindictam tanti funeris. Irata nostra pectora, dulce dulcete vos. Vindictam tanti funeris, irata nostra pectora, morte flagello stradibus, dulces, dulcete vos, dulcete vos. Correggio sguardo
Okay, so that's the song. Now I'll do a quick measurement if push stops attacking the cat pole. So let's listen to it without damping, except for the pedal in the middle. Don't want to remove it. Maybe do a clap. My side sounds different. I don't know.
Armate face tanguelosa, ceco regno squallido, acceco regno squallido, furore socce barbari, furie, 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 venite a nos. Armate face tanguelosa, ceco regno squallido, furie, 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 squallido, armate face tanguelos, furore sacce barbari, furore sacce barbari, furie, 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 armate, venite a nos. Morti fratello stranimus, vindictam tanti funeris, vindictam tanti funeris, irata nostra pectora, dulce dulcete vos. Vindictam tanti funeris, irata nostra pectora, morti fratello stranimus, dulces, dulcete vos, dulcete vos. Armate face tanguelosa, acceco regno squallido, acceco regno squallido, furore sacce barbari, furie, venite ad nos. Armate face tanguelosa, acceco regno squallido, armate, furie, furie, furie,
Well, anyhow, what I'll do, at least for in my in my computer room, I have a panel on the ceiling, and I want to use one or maybe two panels in the length, and then make a frame behind it so it's stiff, and then fill that with Rockwool as a what's they call it? Cloud acoustic kind of thingy. It helps a lot in my tiny room, and maybe I do some on the back side as well, as I had before years ago. That helped a lot. But then we can measure what it does with some decent Rockwool, like the more stiffer, heavier one behind it, compared to a bare El Cheapo panel. Oh, there's one thing. If someone has more knowledge about lasers, especially UV lasers, they're not ideal for cutting aluminium, for instance. I was looking for a fiber laser, but fiber laser is really good in cutting steel or aluminium or whatever. The only downside is that it does that by introducing a lot of heat. So I was wondering, a UV laser has a far smaller dot size and does not introduce as much heat, far less. So if someone has a 5-watt UV laser, like the com marker for instance, if you do, could you please for me try to cut like aluminium foil out of your kitchen? And if that's possible, I'm gonna buy one, because I still want to make tweeters that for my Dapolito setting, like mid-range tweeter. Mid-range, the tweeter needs to be smaller. It has to be, well, it ideally has smaller traces which I cannot cut on my CNC by just using a plotting knife. So if I could use UV, that would be nice. Although the machine itself costs 3K, so I want to be sure it works this time. I mean, I'm okay with spending money and then not using it, but 3K is a lot of money. It's a lot of money. This time, I want to be sure it works. Anyhow, that's the video. I'm gonna edit it and see what the results are, because I don't know either. See you next time.
Bye bye.